Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth problems. Bluetooth not working, not pairing or connecting, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to system. Tap on system. Go down. Tap on reset options. Tap here. Go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap here. You can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So this reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete photos, videos, apps, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. Again tap on reset settings. Done. See the message, network settings have been reset. After this reset operation, you can go back. Then try to pair a Bluetooth device. That should work. So this way we can fix all Bluetooth problems. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.